Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Anita's Creative Corner. Today's video is all about homemade 3D outliners. These are some of my projects using my homemade outliners. These are easy to make, works well on glass, wood, cardboard, canvas and clay murals. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't done it and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. So let's start. Take 2 spoons of baby powder or any brand of your choice. Then take 2 tablespoons of white glue or Decor. Now our base ingredients are ready. We need to add color to it. I am going to use food color, glitter and acrylic. Now I am using liquid food color. You can use gel base or powder base also. I am making silver glitter outliner as well. So adding silver glitter. Now I am adding acrylic paint. In this way you can make your desired color outliner. Now I will show you how to make cone for our outliners. Take transparent sheet and give it a shape like henna cone. Secure it with tape. Fill it with our ready outliner paste. Seal it properly. Now they are good to go. I have made some of them. Secure the tip of the cone with the tape and store them in an airtight container. Now I will show you on photo frame how our homemade outliners are working. I am showing you very simple design. You can create different patterns using these outliners. You can use these outliners a month or 2 if store them properly. I have used golden acrylic paint to create golden color outliner. You can prepare any color outliners using different color paints. Most of the time I use acrylic paints to color them. You can use oil paints as well. I'll make video on how to make homemade glass paints as well. Hope you enjoyed. Do try homemade outliners. Thanks for watching.